Mark from Motoring Motivations. So today we're adding a glove box organizer from Mini. I believe it's an OEM one, an option. Basically, it's an organizer that you can see here. It creates a bottom pocket and two pockets up top. Sort of things don't bounce around so much, and it has these straps that are stretchable. Just fits in the glove box. So there's the manuals that come with the car. Just fits in. This can sit underneath, and you can put your pens or even like a little flashlight on the bottom or up top under the strap, so it won't roll around when you're driving and make a lot of noise and bang around. But it's a pretty neat way to organize everything. It's very simple and very neat. Just another update on Christie's Enchantress, the 2012 JCW Mini Cooper Coupe. Thanks.